Hello and welcome to a review of SOL A.06a, slope of a line, but a little bit more in-depth, or extra if you will. So I just want to reiterate this whole slope concept and how it actually works with graphing. If you notice, I've actually got a point on my graph. I got this point A, and I've got a slope up here of 2/3. So what I'm going to do is, starting point of A, and that's not the y-intercept for the record. It's not. It's just a point that I happen to decide to pick the start from. But we're going to use the slope of 2/3. And a quick refresher, if you will, we talked about this concept of rise over run. So rise, you really could just think of this as y over x. This is why the y, it only moves up or down. And on the bottom, it either moves right or left. It just depends on if it's positive or negative. Since both these numbers are positive, we're going to move in a positive direction. So we're going to go up 2, right 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I can keep doing this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You know, just to add a couple extra points. And if I want, I can even go backwards. So instead of up 2 and right 3, I should go down 2 and left 3. One thing to make sure when you're doing this backwards, we have a positive slope here. It's 2/3. So we want to make sure that our dots are always moving in a positive way. It shouldn't be going and all of a sudden it just starts going like this way. That's not a straight line of an equation. So we can add, looks like I can do, I think 2 more points. So there we go. Awesome. And to finish it off, what you really should do is draw a line connecting all the points together. Now there are more points on this line than just what I've drawn. It's just that these are easier to graph. But I mean, that's a point on the line. So is that and that. That's why whenever we write that equation that you guys are used to seeing, which is y equals mx plus b, the reason x and y are left blank, again, is because you have so many points on the line, it's hard to just stick to one. Now, let's go ahead and do one more example. Actually, I'm probably going to do 2. So let's go ahead and do m equals 0. Fix that 0, it looks a little ugly. So a slope of 0 means it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it just goes horizontally. So our slope would be something like this. And again, you can tell it's a 0 slope because it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it just kind of moves to the side. Now we're going to do one more example here, and this is the tougher one to do that a lot of students don't usually like, but let's go ahead and do an undefined. An undefined slope through that point A would be a vertical line, and it would go like this. Notice how this line never moves left or right. It just kind of stayed on that line forever. That's exactly what it means to be undefined. You never move left or right. You just go up and down. So there you go. There's a little bit more in depth of slope. Thanks for watching.